Lately, I've been stuck in this whirlwind of confusion, trying to figure out what kind of game I should create next. After a lot of brainstorming, I decided to turn the classic Pac-Man game into a 3D first-person game. The first step in creating this game was to model the characters. I used Blender to create 3D models of Pac-Man and the ghosts. I wanted to keep the original design of Pac-Man as much as possible. For the ghosts, I had to make some changes because at first they looked a lot like an octopus. After modeling the characters, I imported them into Unity and set up their materials and textures. The next step was to build the game scene. I wanted to create a maze-like environment that resembled the original Pac-Man game but also had some depth and perspective. I used cubes and planes to create walls and corridors. Now, let's talk about the ghosts. Implementing their AI was quite challenging. I had to design their behavior patterns and movement logic to chase and outsmart our beloved Pac-Man. To do this, I created a script called Ghost that controls each ghost's movement based on different states: chase, scatter, or dead. I attached the script to each ghost's game object and assigned some variables like speed, state duration, target position. To make it look cool, I spent a ton of time editing the graphics and adjusting the lighting in the game scene. I wanted to create an awesome atmosphere that would hook players in the Pac-Man world. Playing with the graphics and lighting settings was key for making that happen. In order to make our Pac-Man game complete, we can't forget about those tiny dots that Pac-Man gobbles up. I developed a dots generator script that automatically scatters dots throughout the maze, making sure they are perfectly positioned for the player to collect. Once the dots were in place, I create and added animation to them. Whenever Pac-Man collects a dot, it disappears, providing that satisfying feeling of progress. A game isn't complete without a well-designed user interface. I created an intuitive UI that displays relevant information to the player, such as score and lives remaining. Then I choose a suitable font for the game. To help players navigate the maze, I decided to include a mini-map. It provides a top-down view of part of the maze, indicating Pac-Man's position, the location of the ghosts, and the remaining dots. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gaming content. Also, let me know what you think about this first-person Pac-Man game in the comments below. And if you want to play this game yourself, you can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.